Hello guys, I hope you all are doing very well. So welcome to my blog. So today we will discuss Python strings. So now first let me introduce you to my uh, blog. So this is TechHub blog. I have created it for uh, Python related statements and programs. So you can check out this blog and learn more about Python. So today we are going to discuss Python strings and what is Python strings, how to declare the Python strings, what is indexing, how to reassign the strings, and how to delete the strings and various string operators. So I have divided this into two parts. In the first part, we will discuss today these topics. So now let's go to the Visual Studio Code and I will show you. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code now and I will show you what how to declare Python and how to declare strings in Python. So first of all, what is Python string? So Python string is a collection of characters which is surrounded by single quotes. It can be double quotes or it can be triple quotes. So that's all the definition of Python. For example, let's say using single quotes, if we write this statement in VS Code, let's run this program first. Now here str1 is the variable where we have stored the hello Python string. Whatever written inside the single code is a kind of string. And we are printing this value which is stored in str1 using the print statement. Now let's run this program. Go to the run and run without run without debugging. It has terminal has started and you can see the output here as hello Python. So this is one form of declaring the Python. Now second way is let's say using the double quotes we can also create the strings. Let's go to the Visual Studio Code. So in this case, I have written hello Python it's inside double quotes. So this is also a type of string and we are storing this in str2 and we are running this str2 function. Now let's run it. Let's select Python file. So now you can see here hello Python is printed here. Using triple quotes also we can create the strings. This is another way of creating the string. So let's run this program also and I will explain you. So let's now run this triple quotes string program. So here you can see that these are the triple quotes and whatever inside the triple quotes this is a string. Triple quotes are used to declare multi-line strings. This is line 1, this is line 2, and this is line 3 program. So now let's go to the run and start running it. So you can see that same way it is printed as we have given in the triple quotes. Now let's talk about the string indexing. Now let's run this program first. So in this case, we have stored the Python string in str variable and we are printing from 0 index to the last index. This is a 0 index, this is a 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index and so on. So let's say what it prints. So you can see that from the 0th position it has just printed all. Now let's give the index as 1 to 5. So let's say what it will print now. So it will print from first index, one index, that this is 0 index, this is 1 index. So y, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will print from 1 to 4, 5 till n, right? So let's run this program. So here you can see that it has, it does not include the last one. It will run from 1 to 4. Y, T, H and O. Fifth, the last one is excluded. So it will print Y, T, H, O. Now run this code. Okay, you can, before I run it, please do write in the comment section what will be the output of this. So it will start from the second index till fourth. Fourth one will not be included. So second and third will print. So it will print TH. So let's run this program. So TH it has printed. Now tell me what will be the output of this print statement. It will start from the 0th index and it will go till third index. So let's say what it will print. So here you can see that from the 0th index till third is always excluded, the last one. So 0, 1, 2, PYT it will print. Now here you can also print str4 to 7. Do write in the comments if you understand all these concepts. You can answer this question. Please let me know your answer. Now let's say if I give this a statement str minus 1, what it will print. What guys you think? Just write me in the comments. So minus 1 means it will go from the right position. So it will print the first index at the right side. Here you can see it has printed G. Now if I give as minus 3, so what it will do? It will print from the third index minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So that means it should print I. Let's run this program. So here you can see that it is printed I. Now let's print this statement. So it will go from minus 2 till the last. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, so it should print N and G. Let's run this program. You can see that it has printed NG. Now let's print minus 4 to 1. You will be able to answer if you understand the previous statements. If you are able to understand, please do write in the comment section. It will print from minus 4 to minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 4 to minus 1, that is RING. It should, last one will be excluded, so it should print RIN. Now here you can see that RIN is printed. Last one is always excluded. Please do write in the comment section what will be the output of this statement. Now if you want to reverse the string, then you can use this statement. Let's see what will be the output. Oh my bad, I have excluded the str. I have removed it. Let me again write it and then we will write the print statement. So here you can see that the whole string is reverted. Now we should how we can reassign the strings. So let's say what is the output of this statement. Reassigning string means if you want to reassign string from one variable to another variable. Now here we have stored hello in str variable. Now at 0 index we are giving 0 index means this. So here what we have done, we have stored the hello string in str variable. Now we are replacing the 0th index with h. Now let's see whether it will assign or not. Ideally strings are cannot be reassigned, it can only be replaced. So let's run this program see what will be the output of it. So here you can see that str object does not support item as statement. So we cannot replace the capital H with small h. Now let's say if we print this program, what will be the output? See here what we have done, we have given the hello string in str variable. We are printing it. Now we are giving the str with small letters hello and we are printing it. Let us see. So here you can see that we can replace the existing string that is earlier it was storing the hello, now it is storing the small hello. So they both are different strings, they are different strings, and this string has replaced the capital letters hello. Now let's see whether we can delete the string or not. Now hello is stored to str and we are deleting the first index. This is 0 index, this is 1 index. Let's see whether it works. So here you can see that we have received an error. str object does not support item deletion, so we cannot delete the string. Now let's see, can we delete the whole string? Let's run it program. Here we have stored the hello string in str1 variable. Now we are deleting the str1 and printing the str1. Let's see what will be the output of this. So here you can see that we have received some error. Now error is str1 is not defined to domain str. So since because str1 is already deleted and we are printing here str1, so it will not identify what is str1. So that is why it is giving name error, name str1 is not defined. Now let's go on. Now let's go to string operators. Let us explore some of the string operators. Uh, okay, let us print this statement and see what is the output of it. Now we are storing hello in str, world in str1, and we are printing str into 3. That means it should print hello 3 times. Now let us see what will be the output. So here you can see that hello is printed 3 times. Now here we are what we are doing. We are concatenating two strings. Let's go to this. Plus means we are concatenating two strings. Here str and str1 we are concatenating it, so it will print hello space world. Let's run and see what is the output. You can see hello world is printed. This statement print str4, it will print the fourth index. This is of str. str is this 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. So it will print 0. And 2 to 4 will print 0 1 2 3 and 4. So 2 and 3 will be printed. That is LL will be printed. Now we will run this statement, see whether W is printed in str, whether W is included in str. If it is included, then it will give true, otherwise it will give false. Now let's see this. So here W is not present in str, it should give false. Now run this statement. So it is giving us false statement. Now in this one WO not in str1. What do you think it will print? Now let's run this and see what will be the statement. WO not in str1. Since WO is present in str1, it is saying not in, so it will print false. So here you can see we have received the false. Now let's run this one. This is the way to print the string along with the some other statements. Let me show you. First, what is included in double quotes, it will be printed. The string str and this percentile s will print what is written in outside the double quotes, that is percentile str. Let's run this program. So now you can see the string str and then what is stored in str, it is hello. The string str hello is printed here. So I hope guys you all like this tutorial. So if you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. Also, if you want to get the cheat sheet, I will give you the URL of this blog, so you can go there and do some more practice. Also, you can visit my Tech Hub blog for more string related programs and statements. Thank you.